Today we're talking about the Wolfgang Cockpit Trim Sealant. This sealant can be used on all interior surfaces, including vinyl, leather, plastics, any aluminum trim you might have, wood surfaces. Because it's a sealant, it leaves a nice satin finish. You can actually see the 50-50 that I've done here on this door of the Corvette. Really simple to use. What you'll do is spray it directly onto a microfiber or foam applicator here, wipe it along the surfaces, and then use a microfiber towel to buff out any high residue that's left on there. Great product that keeps the surfaces cleaner longer, keeps them from fading with UV inhibitors in it, and doesn't allow dust and dirt to get trapped into those surfaces as well. I like to use it on most interior surfaces, especially those that are a little faded, like this older car here, and really just gives it the new appearance, but no greasy feel to it. Again, it's the Wolfgang Cockpit Trim Sealant. And if you have more questions on this or others, check out Autogeek.com.